Hey, what is up, guys? It's Gideon here, and today we're going to be taking a look at Kdenlive, which is an open source video editor for Linux. It's not specific for Linux, it's also available for Windows and other operating systems, but I'm going to be testing it on Linux because I'm going to be going to college in a couple of months, and I'm going to be buying a new laptop, and with this new laptop I'm going to need a new video editor because I'm going to be using Linux. I can't be using Premiere Pro unless I use a virtual machine, which is also an option, but I want to explore options that allow me to render on Linux first before I explore trying to render with Premiere Pro in a virtual machine. So Kdenlive can be downloaded from their website as an app image, and which I've already gone ahead and done. So if we simply open up the downloads folder and I run Kdenlive, or Kdenlive, we should be able to see it open in just a second. And there it is. So I've already gone ahead and shared a folder with this virtual machine. In fact, I've shared the same folder that I used with all the footage for the Disney vlog. So we can simply open that up. If I can find it. I think I'm missing a Disney vlog. Alright, let's add that really quick. So. Oh. Move the folder. Okay. So we'll find this folder really quick. Gideon Tong. Footage. Disney vlog. Okay. And so if we refresh this folder, we'll see the Disney vlog, and we should be able to add all of these to our project. So I'm going to do that really quick. Looks like it's now loading our clips in. And now we have some warnings, so something that we can try to do is just close out this. I don't know what the warning's supposed to be, but it certainly doesn't work. And it's crashed. That's unfortunate. Let's try again. Maybe we'll, recover. Alright. So if we simply just drag a couple of random clips here. When I say a couple random, I mean literally a couple random. It's got snap, so these do snap together, which is very nice. And if I can scrub through really quick, you can hear things going on. If I try to change the contrast of this, and I just jack it all the way up. Oh, I don't think that's how that's supposed to work. I think we drag this bar all the way up. There we go. And so if I add brightness to this, should be able to just drag the brightness all the way up, and I'll see something in the frame. Yeah, there's something in the frame. It's editable, which is nice. Can I drag this down and get more workspace? Let's take a look. Yes, I can. That's also very nice. So we can drag this over, get some more workspace. Actually, I think that this tab probably... Ooh, that's not what I want. How can I undock this tab? Oh, this tab's not undockable. Alright, that's unfortunate. That's still better than nothing. We get a nice layout. Oh, let's maximize this window. We get a nice layout here. We get some tabs over there. We get our projects folder. We can add clips. So I think this might be acceptable. This could be similar to using iMovie or something of the sort. They also have render and stock render. So if I were to render it, I do get MP4 options, and if I get more options, I can rescale it and export audio. I can overlay frames or the time. I can play the video, export metadata. This has got quite a lot of features. So I think that this would be quite usable, honestly. I do not see any... Ooh, style Windows. Oh, this looks like Windows. Fusion. Okay. Oh, this looks kind of like an old version of Premiere Pro. I think I would be quite happy with this video editor. We could try actually editing a video on it in the future. But one of the things I want to try first is actually taking a look at a proprietary piece of software that works directly on Linux, which is called Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve. So we'll be taking a look at that in a future video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and please leave feedback in the comments. Thank you.